In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order bump on Samcart. Order bumps are a great way to enhance your sales strategy, allowing you to offer additional products to your customers during the checkout process. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly increase your revenue with minimal effort. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Samcart website. If you're already familiar with Samcart, you'll know that it serves as an excellent platform for managing your products and optimizing order processes. Once the website loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to have your login details handy to streamline this process. After successfully logging in, your next move is to click on the Products tab. This is where you'll find all the products you currently have listed in your Samcart account. Your ability to manage and tweak these products is a key part of optimizing your sales funnel. Once you've clicked the Products tab, scroll through your list of products to locate the one you want to enhance with an order bump. After identifying this product, click on its name. This will take you to the settings page for that specific product, where you can access additional customization options. On the product edit page that appears, you'll see several tabs to choose from. You'll want to select the Offers tab. As you scroll down within this tab, you'll notice the Order Bump section. This is your focal point for adding extra value to your primary product through upselling. Now, in the product list, you can select the product or products that you wish to offer as an order bump. Once you've made your selection, simply click the Add button to include them in your current product's offer. This action effectively bundles these additional products with the original one in a seamless purchase experience. Moving forward, continue scrolling down to explore the customization features for your order bump. Here, you have the option to select a layout for how your order bump choices will appear on the product's page. Whether you prefer a horizontal, vertical, or grid layout, selecting the right one can enhance the visual appeal and customer experience of your page. Customization doesn't end with layout options. You can further personalize your order bump by adjusting colors, button styles, and even adding custom headlines. Consider including product images and descriptions to make your offers more enticing. These personal touches can significantly influence a customer's decision to take advantage of an order bump. Finally, remember to save your changes after making all customizations. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of creating your offers, but saving your work ensures that all your adjustments are captured. And that's it. You've successfully set up an order bump on Samcart. By implementing these techniques, you're well on your way to maximizing your online sales potential. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.